Hello guys, Adam with you. So today we're going to Mount Garmada. I have already made a video about going to Garmada, but today I will start a different path. The path starts the Gothic church from 15th century, as you see, but beautiful Gothic church. You go beside this church and then we will go up the hill and see you guys up there. So yeah, we have just started walking and you can already see a bit of views. And here is my doggo. She's so happy. Kali? Kali, are you happy? Continuing upwards up the hill. Look at her go. It's perfect for training for bigger mountains. I 100% recommend Garmada. With my girl Kali, she's a little bit tired too, but we're having fun. She's already tired a little bit. The path is well marked. Now we continue upwards. It's a beautiful sunny day and we're having fun. Kali! Kali! It's so beautiful up here. Yeah, we have reached the end of these grasslands. I'm walking with my parents and our family dog. And yeah, I would say that it's pretty beautiful. A little more and we will reach the top. We will reach the summit of Mount Garmada. Run. Shemau. A little more.
Ko boš lahko zraven?
Pa Kali je pa zmatrana.
Zmatrana, ja. Nima kondicije.
Ant's nest. Super nice. I don't know if I have ever seen this big. I can say that these signs are not actually accurate, but yeah. You can see beautiful houses. It's a lonely house in the woods. We are walking up here. You can see these amazing views starting to open up all over. Every 10 minutes you get these amazing views. And then you can see this rock. It's amazing, isn't it? These views are amazing. Here's my mother enjoying the views, and my father going upwards. It's amazing because it's almost sandy road, but I like it. But it's steep. This is the summit of Mount Garmada. Come look at this view. It's amazing. Mami, if you want to look. And we are off the Garmada, and now we go home. Maybe drink a beer.